Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Agent Reach, a powerful tool that gives your AI agent the ability to see and search the entire internet. It allows your agent to read content from Twitter, Reddit, and GitHub through a single command line interface, all while costing you zero in API fees. AI agents are great at writing code and managing projects. But ask one to check Twitter or Reddit, and it'll probably fail. So why are these powerful tools so blind to the real-time internet? The short answer is a maze of API fees, login walls, and aggressive anti-bot blockades. And that's where a project called Agent Reach comes in. Created by developer Panniantong, it aims to solve this very problem. Think of it as a universal adapter. It gives AI agents the power to read and search major web platforms, all without needing to pay for APIs. It's clear people want this. The project has gained huge traction, racking up over 30,000 stars, with more than 1,100 of those added in just a single day. That kind of rapid growth shows just how strong the demand for this solution really is. So, let's dig into the core problem, the internet blindness of most AI agents. Out of the box, they can't do simple things like read a YouTube transcript, search Twitter for product feedback, or check Reddit for bug solutions. Why? Because they run into paid APIs, login requirements, and aggressive blocking from these sites. In the past, a developer's only option was to manually find, install, and configure a messy patchwork of separate command line interface tools, or CLIs, for each site. As you can imagine, this process is fragile and incredibly time-consuming. Agent Reach takes a completely different approach. It isn't trying to be just another tool. Instead, it automates the entire process of selecting, installing, and maintaining the best open-source tools for the job. The design philosophy behind Agent Reach is to be an abstract capability layer. It doesn't actually fetch any data itself. A better way to think of it is like a smart IT manager for your AI agent. Its main job is to pick the right tool, install it, and then route requests to it. But here's where it gets really impressive. Its resilient back-end design. For any given platform, say Bilibili, Agent Reach keeps an ordered list of tools. If the top choice tool, like YTDLP, suddenly gets blocked, the system automatically and silently switches to a backup, like BillyCly. This provides long-term stability without the user ever needing to intervene. And there's another key innovation, the use of skill, MD, files. These aren't code. They're natural language instruction manuals that get registered with the AI agent. They literally teach the agent how to use the new tools, bridging that critical gap between installation and actual use. It's what turns a random collection of tools into a single, cohesive, intelligent system. So, what does this look like in the real world? In practice, a developer can just ask their agent to search both GitHub and Reddit for solutions to a specific bug. A market analyst could direct an agent to gather public sentiment from Twitter and Xiaohongshu, and the barrier to entry is remarkably low. All a user has to do is give a single command to their AI agent. The agent then handles the entire installation and setup process automatically. This agent-driven installation makes the whole thing accessible to anyone using a capable AI assistant like Claude Code or OpenClaw. No deep technical knowledge required. Now, despite its clever design, Agent Reach isn't without its risks. For one, its stability is completely dependent on a collection of third-party open-source projects. Any one of those could be abandoned or simply break at any time. The project is also locked in a constant cat-and-mouse game with the web platforms themselves. An anti-scraping update could disable functionality overnight. On top of that, there's a security concern. Storing authentication cookies locally is necessary for access, but it also creates a vulnerability. If the local machine were compromised, it could lead to account takeovers. This really underscores the strong recommendation to only use dedicated secondary accounts with this tool. So, what's the big picture here? Agent Reach's true value isn't just in providing access to these platforms. It's in abstracting away the endless, frustrating maintenance that comes with it. Ultimately, it represents a major shift towards building resilient, reliable infrastructure for AI agents. It's a step that could finally make them genuinely useful for navigating the real-time, walled-off internet we all use every day.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.